This is a face massage kind of acupressure integration, and it helps to reset your mind, give you a cognitive boost, and also you'll feel a sense of peace, like your senses are opening up. One point is on the top of the head between the ears, like here on the top, and you'll feel a kind of soft part, and just circle on this point. This is called Baihui. It's the top of the head, obviously. It's also the top of the Yang meridian, the central meridian, called the governing vessel. And this is where the Yin meridian starts, the conception vessel. So this helps to connect your Yin and Yang circulate energy to the head, and also release any tension or heat from the head. If you have high blood pressure, or sometimes heat is associated with or causes high blood pressure, circling on this point can help to release it, drawing it to the surface. And then when you let go, the heat will rise away. It also helps to unblock the sinuses. You might notice if you have blocked sinuses. And then we'll comb the hair back if you have any. I do have some in different places. You can do it on the side as well. Refreshing our brain after a long day. And then we can massage the back of the neck as well, either like this or interlink the hands and just do a little bit on the sides. Use the thumbs as well to massage the back of the neck. And then move slightly outwards behind the ears, but not right behind. And then, yes, you can massage right behind the ears. That's also a good point to help to sleep, to help calm your mind. And now let's massage the hands together. Place them over the eyes. Let the heat be absorbed by the eyes. If you don't have any heat in your hands, that's okay. You can simply tap gently to generate some circulation, and blink while you do it as you open the eyes, and then gently tap around the head and around the collarbone a little bit just to release. And now we'll go to the underneath of the eyes, directly under the pupils and outside of the nose. This is on the stomach meridian, so it's a very grounding point. It's actually one of the points in the EFT tapping, emotional freedom technique. And you can slow it down a little bit. Enjoy the grounding. Then move to the outside of the nose to unblock the sinuses. This is LI20 at the large intestine meridian. If you want, you can go just under the nose as well. See, you've got the advantage. No one can see you doing it. Everyone can see me doing it, making funny faces. Now we'll go onto the under of the nose. This is one you can use your knuckle, or you can just use your finger. But the knuckle can get a real press in there. This point actually helps to boost your spleen energy, and also if it's a hot day, it can help to bring back your consciousness when you're feeling overheated. So it's really quite a strong point for mental awareness. Assuming there are no other blockages. Okay, now we're going to go to the outside of the eyebrows using our thumbs and just massage and knead in that point, or you can circle a little bit and hold so that you can feel that pressure. Now we'll go to the inside of the eyebrows. This is the third eye point, known as Yintang. Press and hold or circle on that point. You can also use your other hand to massage on the opposite side. Exactly opposite that point, you'll feel acupressure points tend to be on small divots or holes where the energy has where we have access to the energy on the surface of the body. Next one we'll do is unfolding the ears. So at the top, this is a kinesiology technique called tuning up. You're tuning up your energy system. Helping you to focus and be more aware and alert. You can also pull on the ears a little bit or circle, rubbing like two coins together. Going a little bit up the top on the outside. And if you want, you can circle on the inside of the ear as well. That's more like the internal organs on the reflexology. So it's like giving your organs a bath, an energy bath, a circulation boost. So organs like the stomach, the lungs, the spleen, the liver. And as you go up to the top, this is more like the large intestine, the kidneys, and the spine. And then at the very top, this is the lower body, because the ear is kind of upside down to the body in the auricular reflexology. And we can also just go around the outside using the Spock hands and place the hands on the ears. And when you lift your hands off, you refresh your mind, you come back to the world renewed